Daddy and me go to Travisburg Walmart. That's all.
Who did you go with?
Come on, let's make 5 minutes video. Subscribe more video channel, more videos, big TV. I'm do subscribers to make a new video.
You gotta call me.
Can you put here, please?
Nana, hi.
But how I need to help?
Nana. What did you say?
Are you call me?
Can you not hear me?
Yes.
I can't hear you, Debu.
I didn't press the buttons. Cassie, why not talking?
I cannot hear you.
I did. Are you too?
Very hard.
What?
You have to press the button. You have to keep pressing it while you are talking.
I did. I did, Cassie.
There you go. Now I can hear you.
Yeah, you're good at this.
You're so good at this.
Yay!
Oh, now come inside. Are you not hot?
No. No. Picture me. We can't hear you, Cassie. Cassie, I can't hear you. Cassie, I can't hear you. Cassie, I can't hear you. Why Cassie is not coming? Cassie, I can't hear you. Come on. Cassie, I can't hear you.
I can't hear you either.
Me too.
Nani, I can't hear you. You have to press the button.
I did. I did.
Good. Now I can hear you.
I can hear you too.
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
Button while you are talking. You have to keep pressing it.
Because my head is tired.
Hello.
Hey, are you hear me now?
I cannot hear you now. You have to press the button.
Are you hear me now?
Yes.
Good.
Awesome.
Yippee!
Woohoo.
Yippee!
I can't hear you.
Yippee! Yippee!
I can't hear you.
Yippee!
Good.
Yippee!
Woohoo.
Yippee! Woohoo! Yippee! Yoo-hoo! Yippee! Woohoo! Cassie? subscribe more video channel, more videos big TV. I have a walkie talkie today. Or go find me. Travis for Goodbye.